So guys, dito na tayo,
Kumain
dito
ka
na yung order
muna,
natin.
Tapos, pag na-obos natin, saka tayo mag-order.
Thank you for this food. Bless us with the Lord and the Jesus' name.
So yan guys, dito na yung order natin. Cold chicken.
One order. Wala ko lang. Isa lang.
Isa lang may akong dito.
Masarap yung ano.
Yes.
At yun.
Oo, kami yung tayo ng mistay. Kung may lumipad naman yung gabi, hindi rin work out yung ano nila.
Wala.
Hindi yan mag-work. Rice. One rice.
One rice tender. Tender rice.
They said 8.
Eh?